Take your helmets off, okay?
Dude, suck up a gun.
Hey, Charlie, you're not supposed to be down here.
Good shot. Whatever. We're gonna let him in. Man, this helmet is stuck. Okay, now the...
That's called mud bogging. Here, do you need a hand, dude?
Help me.
I'll help you.
Man, you left us. You left us. Man, you so... What? You got water in here?
Yeah, we got wet here too.